3, 2, 1.
What may be Mathan's favorite genre of television? The answer is D, Kids TV. When did the narrator obtain knowledge of the pricing of the phone? The answer is A, before the phone was unveiled. When did Thomas Edward Gordon publish The Problem of the Middle East? The answer is B, 1900. Beyonce has been awarded how many Grammy nominations? The answer is B, 52. The words "how to apply mascara" appear. A woman with long black hair is talking to the camera. What happens next? The answer is C, holds up a wand of mascara. What was the narrator doing earlier in the day? The answer is C, attending class. What part of my body is currently in pain? The answer is D, my uterus. When was the organ built? The answer is C, 1937. Why is the narrator so excited for the upcoming weekend? The answer is A, they are going on a trip. In what year did Rutherford take over leadership of the Watchtower Society? The answer is A, 1931. Who is it that the narrator says is super long and lanky? The answer is C, her new pet kitten, which is in mixed breeds. What kind of job would they likely be working at? The answer is C, retail cashier. Speed up small wound healing. How would you do this? The answer is A, kiss the small cut. How many #1 Billboard singles were released by American Idol contestants in the show's first decade? The answer is D, 345. What may be the reason for their trips to Alaska? The answer is D, it is tradition to go every summer. The Ottomans controlled mainland Greece in what year? The answer is B, 1460. What may have happened if me and the man didn't have a conservation? The answer is B, we wouldn't have met up. The credits of the clip are shown people. What happens next? The answer is C, or biking down a path. By what year will the Mexico City GDP double by, according to research? The answer is C, 2020. Why did we have fun? The answer is A, none of the above choices. Why does the narrator like the female subject's bangs? The answer is A, the narrator loves the subject. Fist, how would you do this? The answer is A, prayed for the foil in church. How many clergymen were there in the Dutch Republic before the influx of Huguenots? The answer is B, 200. What event did she compete in? The answer is D, none of the above choices. When did Nigeria's economy become larger than South Africa's? The answer is C, 2014. Campbell's Soup Cans, produced in 1962 by Andy Warhol, consists of a number of canvases, each 20 inches by 16 inches 50.8 x 40.6 The answer is cm,
A,
each with a painting of a can. How many canvases are there? A man is walking while carrying a leaf blower. He is using the blower to blow the leaves out of the grass's shadow. What happens next? The answer is B, is seen as he continues blowing the leaves. James Hutton published a 2-volume version of his theories in what year? The answer is D, 1795. Why was the man ambling down the Aceway? The answer is A, he needed to get fares. To make a chili less spicy, how would you do this? The answer is A, add less cayenne pepper when you make it. What may be the reason for being so excited about a CD? The answer is A, they want to learn Spanish. Where can reclaimed wood be found? How would you do this? The answer is A, yard sales, resale stores, and the woods. Prepare crispy watermelon. How would you do this? The answer is A, place watermelon on the BBQ grill. To cut up the soda can to make a bow ring from it. How would you do this? The answer is A, use a saw to cut through the aluminum. In what year did Sven-Göran Eriksson become the manager of England's football team? The answer is B, 2001. By what year had the situation in Europe cooled down enough so that Joe I would have been able to safely return to Lisbon? The answer is A, 1815. What type of advice is the narrator soliciting? The answer is B, they are looking for dating advice. A person is shaving their beard with an electric shaver. What happens next? The answer is A, or slowly moving the shaver up their chin. In what year was Maximilian Roman III born? The answer is D, 1618. To cook the clay flower pot bread, how would you do this? The answer is A. Place the flower pot directly into the hot water. The CRTC has limited the CBC to operating how many digital transmitters? The answer is A. 27. Saliva contains an enzyme that acts upon which of the following nutrients? The answer is A. Starches. Why did they go to Tim S. Stepdad's beach house? The answer is A. It was a weekend and they are on vacation. Why are so many disappointed with Rangel's behavior? The answer is C. Rangel is an elected official doing bad. In which year did Steve Davis win his first World Professional Snooker Championship title? The answer is C. 1981. In what year did the newly renovated College Street Music Hall reopen? The answer is A. 2015. When was the activity of desktop publishing first used? The answer is D. 1985. What do neutral atoms have the same number of? The answer is B. Electrons and protons. What does General Grievous call Obi-Wan Kenobi? The answer is A. The negotiator. What country may I be currently living in?